Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the Bluetooth, also known as uConnect fuse, is located on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Quick advice, guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. And after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the uConnect fuse, also known as a Bluetooth fuse, guys, we'll explain where you can expect to find it. Okay, that fuse relay on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here, guys. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, guys, facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side here. You see, that's a fuse box here. You need to press the tabs together, leave the cover up, and underneath, guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And for the uConnect, we need to check different fuses. We're talking about fuse number 77. This is a double micro 3-blade fuse. That's 2 fuses in one. 78, 79. These 3 fuses will need to be checked. Okay, and also you may want to check your main radio fuse, which is for an infotainment system. Fuse number 80. Okay, this is the infotainment system out of a Jeep, guys. Right here, that's what it looks like. You have multiple connections in the back as well. You don't have hidden fuses on the back side. Okay, but those are the 4 fuses that you need to check. That fuse number 80, that 20 amp fuse, you may need to remove that fuse for 10-15 minutes, reset the system, see if that fixes the problem. If it doesn't, guys, and your Bluetooth does not work, we have a special video that explains what you need to check and how to fix Bluetooth that does not work as well, guys. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.